Well, hello YouTube, Steve Pat with General Pat Bushcraft back with you, friends. I'm back out in the backyard, and today I'm going to try to make a video on broken lighter. Will it still work even though we have a broken lighter or a lighter that's totally out of fluid? Stay tuned. Okay, friends, I have a broken lighter. I've drilled a hole through it here, so there's absolutely no fluid in it. I've taken off this little protective guard here, and just so I can get to the flint, the ferro rod, the mini ferro rod that's in here with this striker wheel. And I have my pine needles bird's nest, of course, and then I have some charred wood, charred punk wood. I don't know how punky it is, but it's some charred wood, and I'm going to try to rain some sparks down off of this lighter, light the charred punk wood, light that bird's nest. Alright, let's give it a go. Keep an eye on that. Buckle your seat belt. It's going to be a little bit bumpy. Let's reposition the camera. So don't throw out those broken lighters or those empty Bic lighters. They'll still work great. Start a fire. Got a mini ferro rod in those lighters, and if you got some charred material, work just great. Stay tuned. I'm going to try some char cloth now with that same lighter. Okay, here we are back with the same broken lighter. This time we got some char cloth. There's a piece of cotton. Got a bunch of char cloth in there. And I got some more pine needles. Let's see how easy it is, or how hard. Alright, same thing. Buckle your seatbelt. Little bit of a bumpy ride. Let's reposition the camera. Broken lighter, no fuel. Still get fire. Alright, I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. Before you leave, please consider subscribing. Give the video a thumbs up, give the video a like, friends. I appreciate everything you do for the channel, all your views, all your likes, all your shares, most importantly, all your comments. Leave me a comment. Please, please don't depart from the faith, and if you haven't already, give your life to Christ, friends. Don't wait, do it today. He died for you on the cross, and he loves you very much. Do it today, don't wait. And, as always, God is good, God is great. I see y'all on the next video. Already got a date.